Good day to you. Today we'll need a block. We'll start on our backs. And with your feet flat, knees bent, lift your hips and place that block underneath your lower back sacrum area. And once you have that set, extend your legs out long. Arms can rest either by your side or overhead. Getting into some spinal extension here to start. Nice stretch for the lower back and hip flexors. We'll just be here for a few more deep breaths. And last, full breath in. Let it go. No rush. Rebend your knees. Lift your hips, remove your prop, and windshield wiper your knees side to side, gently sway, getting the full range of motion, getting some movement to the lumbar spine, a couple more rounds on each side. When you're ready, bring your feet flat and cross your left ankle over your right knee. Seated figure 4, reach for the back side of your right thigh. And your left hand can reach through your leg, left elbow props open that left thigh. Stay flexed through your right or left foot rather. And using a little bit of pulling to accentuate the stretch here. IT band, glute, hip. Take a couple more full breaths. Couple more. And then slowly release, and we'll switch it out. Ground your left foot, right ankle over left knee. Reach for the left hamstring, pull it close to your chest. Again, right elbow props open that right thigh. Breathe with your right foot flexed. Another couple breaths here. Gently pulling. You want to feel that resistance. Last deep breath. And release. Feet flat. Another round of windshield wipers here, side to side. Once you feel even, pull your knees into your chest. Big squeeze. A little rock side to side. Gentle. And switch the direction of your rock to back and forth. Start with a little rock, then build some momentum. Take a few full rocks to get up to a seat. And extend your left leg out long. Bring your right foot to the inside of your left thigh. Face your torso towards that extended leg. And get some length here through your crown. And slowly add the forward fold over that extended to soften your neck and allow your head, the full weight, to take you a little deeper into the stretch, chin closer to your chest, melting into this one. And getting to those deeper tissues takes time. And you'll be in these poses for a few extra breaths, just to settle in. And when you're ready, slowly lift yourself back up. And torso towards your bent knee this time. We'll get some side body stretching in. Inhale, your right arm high, reach. And on an exhale, right hand to left toes, reach. Side body stretch. Really go for those toes, reaching like they're just out of grasp. Active reach. Stay grounded through that right hip, right sit bone. Reach a little further, go for the toes. And inhale, right hand back up. Exhale, ground your right hand. On your next inhale, lift your hips high, open up that front side body. And re-ground your hips. We'll switch that. Right leg extend long. Left foot to the inside of your right thigh. And torso towards your extended leg. Find length, axial. And slowly rounding forward. Again, let the neck go. Head heavy, chin closer to chest. Getting that back side body. Couple more full breaths here. One more like that. And gently lift yourself back up. Torso towards your bent knee this time. You can extend your left arm high. Inhale, reach. And exhale, go for the toes. Left hand to right foot, reach. Like it's just out of grasp. Stay rooted through that left hip, left sit. Active reach through the ribs, side body, forearm, fingers, reach. One more breath. Next inhale, left arm back up. Exhale, ground your left hand behind your hips. Next inhale, lift your hips high, open up front side. And re-ground your hips. Cross your legs, come to a comfortable seat. Hands to knees. Some seated cat-cow. Inhale, cow. Open up, arch your back. Exhale, cat, tuck your chin, round your spine, lean back. Inhale, cow, extension, open. Exhale, cat, flexion, round it out. Take a couple more on your own breath. You can add some free movement with your hips or spine or neck. And one more. Inhale. And exhale to a neutral spine, lowering down, back onto your back. Knees into your chest. Wrap up for a hug, some love. Option for a little sway side to side, little back massage. And when you're ready, ground your feet, keep your knees bent, and shift both knees to the left side. Shift your gaze out to the right. Extend your right arm out long. A few deep breaths here into your spine. Gently coming out of the twist, and shift both knees over to the right side. Extend your left arm out, gaze out to the left. And just 2 more deep breaths. Slowly coming out of the twist. Pull your knees into your chest. Final squeeze here. And full body stretch. Legs out long. Arms reach overhead. Point your toes. Reach. And thank you for joining. I'll see you next time. Share the love. Namaste.